Good morning to all students. So our topic for today is digital promotion. Now I'm going to share the slides with all of you and please focus here. So students, our topic for today is digital promotion. So this is the topic of our fourth unit as we have done the unit number 3, and if any topic remained and you have any doubt in that unit, you can discuss with me after this session. So the topic for today's class is digital promotion. Digital promotion is basically a tool, or we can say a strategy for advertising the business, product or service by using social media. If we, as you know that all of you are in the world of technology now, so for everything we need technology. Like we can take an example of this class also. That's in the time of coronavirus COVID-19, and we are facing the situation that we cannot be physically available in the class, so we can study online. So this is the very good example for digital promotion. And if you are studying on computers rather than from the books, then it is a blessing of the science and technology. Okay, so digital promotion is the new era in which business organizations they try to avail themselves online along with physical presence in the market. So digital promotion is like you can use different type of social media platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Amazon, LinkedIn, and so many digital promotion tools which you can use for promoting your product or a service. But the most important thing is that you are promoting actually a brand rather than a simple product, because if you are showing your product again and again by using social media platform, then it will become a brand. Okay, so where if people find your product online, then it means they become familiar with your product. Now you can easily convert the potential customer into a final consumer. Okay, next. So what is the meaning and definition of digital promotion? And you can say that digital promotion is basically the combination of different types of electronic media or social media platforms for the promotion of your product, brand or a service. We have different multiple varieties of for the digital promotion. Here we can see in this picture that we have different tools for digital promotion like Facebook, Google Plus. Even you can send the multiple mails for the promotion of your product, your service or a brand. You can use LinkedIn, you can use Twitter, you can use Facebook and Pinterest. You have multiple options for the purpose of promotion of your product, your brand, your service. Actually, this picture is showing different types of media, and you can see the logo, and you can add on multiple logos by using this. And one more the young generation is actually using for the digital promotion is TikTok. People like to make the videos for any kind of purpose, like they can use the emotional touch just to reach the customer. Next, here we have different types of promotion tools: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, Google Plus, WhatsApp, Gmail, Yahoo, YouTube, Pinterest. So we have different types of digital promotion tools. Content. This is the content for social media. Like if you are trying to promote your product, your services, your brand, or anything that you want that customer should know about your particular XYZ service. So you should use a proper content on social media. Okay. And the basic reason behind this content is that if a person is not familiar with the logo of your product or a service, then he can read out that content and get familiar with your product or service. Okay. The major reason question is, who is behind the content, who designs this content. So the my answer is, all this work is actually designed by the content writers. So if you want any kind of information, you can easily read out that content. Or let us take an example, like if you want to take admission in an MBA college. Okay. So you are looking for the different website of different colleges and universities. There you are seeing the main website of that particular college in which you are seeking for the admission. Okay. So you can read out about the goals, objectives, the courses, faculties, the actual activities that are happening in the campus of that college. So these are some ways which can be helpful for a person to get information about that campus. Okay. Let us take any other example, like if you are purchasing a product from amazon.com, you know only about amazon.com website. Okay. In that case, what will happen, so like if you are making shopping from the amazon.com, but you don't have any information about the product which you are going to purchase, so you can read out about detailed information on that web page. So that content is actually designed by the content writer. And the most important thing behind the content is that content should be proper, productive, correct, and informative. If these features are not available in a content, in that case, that content will not be helpful for the social media, for your customers, and for any other person. So content is actually the base for making your advertisement successful. Okay. And the designing the right content, it should be the responsibility of the person who is actually sharing. For example, I'm sharing these slides with all of you. In that case, it is my responsibility that the content which I'm going to share with the students, it should be in proper way. So what kind of content we can share for the purpose of advertisement? You can take example on WhatsApp. You can see the multiple messages forwarded in the form of videos, photographs, images, gifs. GIF actually a small video, like you can see, uh, and online you can also use the blogs. Blog writing is actually quite a different concept, but it is a part of content writing. And the persons who actually want that, you can, that you need information, or you want to share the views with the persons who your interest, in that case you can see. So these types of content can be actually used. Now I'm going to discuss one more thing with all of you, that we can see. So this is the content for social media. I'm actually giving a briefing about the content which we have discussed now. Uh, let's start from the slide number 1 again, so that all of you will become familiar with all these things, like what is a digital promotion. And one more thing I want to share with all of you, that Dear students, so I'm just going to share one thing with all of you. Just give me a second. So I hope all of you are watching the slides now. What is a digital promotion? It is a tool for advertising the business, product, and service by using social media. You can actually alternate this word, the digital promotion, along with digital marketing. So this unit is actually the base of your subject, digital promotion, or we can say the digital marketing. Okay, it is like you are using social media platform for making your product advertised. If you want that customers should have more and more knowledge about your product and service, in that case you should make your product on first rank. You should invest your time, you should invest your efforts, you should use the proper content, you should use the right information for the customer. I already have discussed that if you are studying on the computer rather than the books, then it is a blessing from science and technology. So digital promotion is actually a new era in the 21st century in which business organizations, they try to avail themselves online along with the physical presence in the market. If you are purchasing any product from a mi store and you are doing physical shopping from that shop, and another option is you are buying a mobile handset from online, both are different things actually. So in that case, you can see that digital promotion means you are using social media platforms to promote the products, for making advertisement, and to create a brand awareness also. What is the meaning of digital promotion? You all have studied about digital marketing. So we can use this same definition for this also, digital marketing, or we can say digital promotion. It means you are using different forms of social media to market or advertise a product, a brand, or a service. And here we can use different types of platforms. I'm giving you the pictures of some logos: Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Google Plus. You can even send the mails. Let us take an example of a bank, ICICI. If you have opened an account with bank, and bank is actually want to share different types of services with all of you, like in the era of COVID-19, maximum insurance companies and banks, they are trying to promote their saving policies, saving services. So insurance companies, they are trying to focus that you should buy an insurance policy to protect you and your family from these kind of pandemic and attacks. Okay, so these types of promotion tools you can use for digital marketing: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok. TikTok is actually very interesting. You can, in the youth, it is very famous. People actually, I have seen so many videos on the TikTok that people try to share some emotional messages to promote their product, to give information about their service on the TikTok by creating some short videos. And Google Plus. Actually, Google Plus is actually an option. So here we have our slide: Google Plus, WhatsApp, Gmail, YouTube, and Pinterest. So these kind of digital promotions you can also use for the purpose of advertisement. This is our next slide: content for social media. So actually the content is the base for making your advertisement successful. If you are reading an article on the Facebook, you are watching a video. If you find any video quite interesting, the reason behind that, its character, the script they are using. Similarly, if you are advertising any product online, you should use the correct content that should be informative, that should be proper, productive, and behind the content, there is a content writer is actually responsible for all this. What kind of content you can share with the customers, like images, videos, photographs, paragraphs, blogs, GIFs. And along with all these content, you can use also another options. which can be used for the purpose of promotion. So here we have the another slide, how digital promotion works. Digital promotion is actually starting with the main idea, what you actually want to do. If you want to avail yourself online, you can use social media platform, you can use digital promotion, okay? So firstly, you need to prepare some content in a proper way, okay? After that, you need to watch that on which platform you are going to share. For example, there is a group on LinkedIn that all the professionals are available on that LinkedIn website. So if I'm going to share my circle, if I'm going to share my content with all the students who are only available on the LinkedIn, then LinkedIn will be my platform. If I want that my public, or we can say my viewers, should be available on Facebook, in that case my social media platform will be Facebook, through which I can share videos, photographs, GIFs, even the simple content which I can copy and paste from my MS Word, my MS Excel sheet, or my computer, any mode which I want to share. You can see in this picture that there is a computer screen, there is a mobile, there is a tablet, and different modes which you can use for digital promotion. So this is actually a cycle. We start from the computer, and actually behind everything you cannot do the overall work on a computer, on a mobile phone or tablet. For that you need to make a deep research, what kind of content a student, a customer wants. After that, next, before sharing my the slide, just wait. So students, I hope all of you have understand the topic which we have discussed till now. After 2 minutes, I will share the all other screen. Just give me a minute. So students, I hope all of you have understand all these things in a proper way. So now I'm going to share the screen with all of you. So this is my next slide, which I'm going to share with all of you. How digital promotion works, we already have discussed. So this is the working of digital promotion. So working of digital promotion, for example, when you are visiting a website on first time, in that case, you are a stranger. You are in this first category. And every website, every seller, every person who actually tries to promote, firstly focus on the strangers. And they try to attract maximum people in different ways. Okay. After that, when the stranger attracts, he become a visitor, and when he read out the content, when he become familiar with all that, then that visitor will be converted into leads. And after that, leads means they are the potential customers who can be converted into a final consumer. When leads close, they will become a customer. And if a customer is actually satisfied with your product, he will become a promoter also. For example, let us understand all this point with this thing. Like you have purchased a Samsung mobile phone from a website, any website. You can take example of Flipkart, okay, and you find a very good experience of Samsung mobile and the shopping from the Flipkart company. Okay. Before that, before starting the shopping, you were just looking out a good mobile phone online. So you were in that stage, stranger. You just are collecting the information. This one. So working of digital promotion we were discussing. So when you are purchasing a mobile phone from online, and at the first stage you are just collecting the information, you are a stranger. After that, when you find Amazon, Flipkart, and any other website, then you become a visitor and you become attracted from flipkart.com promotion. Okay, so in that case you will be converted into leads. It means you are looking for more products also, and when you end up your buying, then you will become the customer of that Amazon or Flipkart company. And then if you have a very good experience, you will share your good experience as well as your bad experience with other people also. I have discussed all these things in the class also, that a good customer will promote your product among 100 people, but a bad customer or a customer with a bad experience will share his experience among 500 people. So it is the very important responsibility for all the companies that they should give correct and proper information on the website, and it is actually the responsibility to convert that person into a final customer only after giving the proper information. Now, digital marketing techniques and strategies. Actually, this is the most important part, and we all have discussed it during the classes. First is content marketing. If a person is actually sharing his experience, his information by writing some content, then he is doing the content marketing. It means if I want to share any detail about myself because I'm taking online classes, in that case I can write, I can prepare the slides, and I can do the marketing by using some good content. Okay, search engine optimization, we all have discussed that if you are sharing some information and you are sharing that you are making available your information about the product and service on the search engine, in that case like Google, Ask. In the previous session, we have discussed search engine optimization. It is a very good example for digital marketing. Social media marketing, when you are using social media platforms for promotion purpose. Marketing automation means you are using different tools for marketing. Digital advertising, you are preparing some videos and you are just making it viral, you are sharing on the social media platform, then it is a part of digital advertisement. Mobile marketing, if I'm sending the messages to different persons just to advertise your product, actually this is an old concept, but right now because we can now share, instead of only the text message, we can share the videos, photographs, concepts by using the mobile phone. If because I'm having everything in my small mobile phone, it is like a mini computer for me. Okay, so we can do the mobile marketing very easily. So actually mobile is available in all with all the people, and we can approach maximum customers by using the mobile marketing. Video marketing, while you are preparing the videos for the purpose of advertisement, promotion, and for making your product a brand, you can use video marketing. Blogging, when you are writing the blogs and you are sharing the information by writing the blogs and you are just attracting the people of your interest, so blogging is also a very good way. Affiliate marketing, like you are using someone else's name to promote your product or service. We all have discussed this example in the class. Let us take another example, like if you are studying in the college of GGSIP University, the college is promote itself but under the norms and policies of the GGSIPU. Okay, remarketing or retargeting. Suppose you have prepared a strategy for marketing. In that case, for example, your first strategy was not successful. In that case, you are again retargeting your customers. you think that the audience which you have choose earlier was not correct, in that case you can again use any other mode for marketing purpose. Digital PR, or we can say online PR. Online public relation, we have all have discussed this topic in the previous session. When you are preparing the criteria, when you are preparing the content, just to connect yourself with the customer. Here you means you are an organization and you are just connecting yourself with the customer by using any media or platform. It is called digital PR. Again, next slide. Digital marketing strategy. How you can do digital marketing. Here you have defining customer profiles. Like to which customer you are going to sell your product. Let us take an example. Suppose you are a businessman of ready-made garments company and you are focusing on the child section. Okay, the children of age about 0 to 10 years. So in that case, you have defined your customer's profile, that you have targeted the children section. Okay, then defining marketing objectives. What kind of strategies you want to follow, what profit, what percentage of profit you should have your for your business, alignment of business and marketing goals, what kind of strategies you will use for promotion, identifying target market. This is actually the first step. Also you can identify your target market. Ab here target market means we have just selected only the child section. Okay, 0 to 10 years. Now I just need to redefine this section again. In marketing you have discussed the topic of market segmentation. So in that chapter you have studied that in market segmentation you can divide the overall market into different sections. So if in children section we can firstly divide it also, that for which class, high class, middle class, low class. You can again target your markets. Then competition analysis, what your competitors are actually doing, what kind of strategy they are following, what is the price of their product, what is the platform which they are using for promoting their products. Digital marketing channels means how you can you are doing marketing, which platform, which channel you are actually using, and what your competitors are actually using. So this is called competition analysis. What is the competition in the market for that product which you are preparing and you are selling. Budget and how to measure the results. Here, what is your budget? And actually this is the most important part, budget. The budget actually defines that how much money you have for the investment, and that budget will also define the your platform, on that platform which you are going to share your product or service. Okay, how to measure results. After that, role of team and team members. So this is the most important digital marketing strategy. Your team members should be proper, should have information about the market, should have experience, and should be expert in their field. Reviewing and optimizing campaign performance. If you are doing any kind of campaign, in that case, so here we have benefits of digital promotion, brand promotion, target customers, know your audience, reviews about business, increase revenues, increase return on investment, increase creativity, allow to connect with mobile users, confirm sales. So these are the benefits of digital promotion. So all this we have done. So students, I hope all of you have understand this topic. Okay. So again, I'm just giving a briefing of all this. I'm going on a slide. Just wait. This one. Digital promotion, which we have discussed here. Digital promotion we have discussed. And now. So I'm just briefing out this topic now. Digital promotion, a social marketing strategy, which you and where you can use the different type of social media platforms like Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, and you can use the technology for promoting your product and service. The meaning and definition of digital promotion. Here we have the logos for the digital promotion, and you can add on the multiple logos of different companies which you can use for digital promotion. These are the tools actually: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, Google Plus, WhatsApp, Gmail, Yahoo, YouTube, Pinterest. Content for social media: images, videos, contents, blogs. So how digital promotion works, we have discussed, from a computer to a mobile to a tablet and different other modes. Working of digital promotion: from a stranger to a promoter. A stranger can become a visitor and can be converted into leads, can be converted into customer after the closing of sales. And if he is having any experience, good or bad, if he is having a good experience, he will become a promoter. And if he is having a bad experience, he may be a promoter but in a negative promotion. So these are the techniques and strategies: content marketing, search engine optimization, social media marketing, marketing automation, email marketing, digital advertising, mobile marketing, video marketing, blogging, affiliate marketing, remarketing or retargeting, digital PR. Digital marketing strategy, like customer profiles you need to define. You need to define the marketing objectives. You should have the alignment of business and marketing goals. Identifying target markets, competition analysis, information, digital marketing channels to be used. Role of team and team members. Reviewing and optimizing campaign performance. Benefits of digital promotion: brand promotion, target customers, know your audience, review about business, increase revenues, increase returns on investment, increase creativity, allow to connect with mobile users. Thank you. So all this we have done.